Hey, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you to expand your English, increase your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. So, let's have a look at questions overview. Let's have a look at questions overall. So let's look at how to form and make a question first. So we swap the position of the subject and a verb in a sentence. So a statement then. Jessica is a doctor. She is a doctor. But then let's swap is and Jessica around, and then suddenly you got a question. Jessica is a doctor. Is Jessica a doctor? Is Jessica a doctor? Swap the verb and the subject and the verb. Suddenly a question. Is Jessica a doctor? Is James a doctor? Don't know. Adrian is in Gibraltar. Adrian is in Gibraltar. Statement. Is Adrian in Gibraltar? Is Adrian in Gibraltar? Is Adrian in Gibraltar? Is Tom in Spain? Tom is in Spain. Is Tom in Spain? I'm not sure. Tom likes cheese. Nom nom nom. Tom likes cheese. But in this case, there's no is. There's no verb of being. State of being. It's does Tom like cheese? Does Tom like cheese? Because there's no verb to move around, so to speak. Likes Tom cheese? Doesn't make sense. Does Tom like cheese? You wouldn't say. You wouldn't necessarily say is Adrian in Gibraltar, because that is does Adrian in Gibraltar? Does Adrian in Gibraltar? Do Adrian in Gibraltar? Does is Adrian in Gibraltar? Did is Adrian in Gibraltar? It doesn't make sense. Does Tom like cheese? Jessica likes chocolate. Jessica likes chocolate. Does Jessica like chocolate? Did she like chocolate? A past tense question as opposed to a present. Does Jessica like chocolate? Now it's getting nice and interesting, nice and crazy. But they're not the only kind of questions that can be asked. Let's look at this subject and object questions. It depends on who or what did the action, who did the action, which is subject questions. Who did something? Who did that? Who did this? Who did that? And then you have what or who got an action. Who had action received to them? This pen. Who used the pen? The pen was used. So that's object question. So subject. Who called the bank? Who called the bank? Who booked the appointment? Who said that? Who said that? James. Because he did the action. Who did the action? James. Who called? Who rang? Who rang the bank? James did. Who booked the appointment? James did. I did. Me. And then object questions is who did James ring? Who did James ring? Who did he? Who received the phone call? Who got the action? Who got the verb done to them? The bank. Who did James ring? He rung the bank. The bank received James's call, his phone call. The phone call being the verb. The bank did. Who called the bank? Well, the bank got something from someone, but who was that someone that did the action? Oh, James did it. James did the action. James did the verb ringing. Who did James ring? Who received the verb? Object. The bank did. Yeah. Interesting way. Interesting. Let's keep going. There's always more. Let's look onwards and look at question tags and short answers. Oh, it's going to get interesting. So question tags, they like to tag along with the question. So they added at the end to make someone agree. Agree with you. Yeah. So, you like climbing. You like climbing, don't you? You like to climb? Don't you? I know you do. You do, don't you? Yeah? You like running, don't you? You don't like swimming, do you? You don't like swimming, do you? But interestingly, with the tags, they're always the opposite. So if a positive statement, you like climbing, positive, positive. The tag is always negative, don't you? Negative. So you like climbing. You like climbing, don't you? Don't you? Which is negative, don't you? Or you don't like climbing. You don't like climbing. Negative statement. You don't like climbing. Positive tag. Do you? Do you? I never knew. So, these short questions then, short questions help keep the conversation going. Keep it going. So there's two people. One says, yes, I like climbing. Yes, I like climbing. And the second one will say, do you? Yes, I did climb Mount Kilimanjaro. Did you? Questions to ask, little short questions based on the modal verb or the verb in the sentence. So, yes, I like climbing. Yes, I like climbing. Do you? Do you? Yes, I did climb Mount Snowdonia, Mount Kilimanjaro. Did you? Yes, I did. Did you? It helps keep the conversation going and allows you to express interest and just in a way of asking for more information from the speaker. Yes, I like climbing. Oh, do you? Oh, yes. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Learn more. Be polite. How cool is that? But then also we have closed questions, which are yes or no responses only. Yes or no. There's no ifs or buts or maybe here or there, this and that and there. It's yes or no. Nothing else. So the intonation rises at the end. The intonation rises, asking for more information. Do you work in a factory? Do you work in a factory? Do you work in an office? Do you work at home? It's not where do you work, all number of answers. It's yes or no. Do you work in a factory? Do you work from home? Do you work on your own? Do you work as a team? Yes or no. Do you work as a team? Do you work from home? Yes, I work from home. Are you a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher. Cool. But then opposite to that, opposite to that, are you tired? Oh, yes, I am. Woo. Opposite to that is open questions, multiple answers all over the place. Intonation lowers, like inquiring and maybe agreeing with them. Where does James work? Where does James work? Where do you live? What does Tom do? What are you doing? What am I doing? Where does James live? Where does James live? Could be anywhere. Where does Nick live? Where does Tiago live? Could be anywhere. We don't know. We don't know. The answer is any number of things. It could be Wolverhampton, Bermuda, Marbella, Gibraltar. We don't know. We don't know. Tarifa, Morocco. Oh, we don't know. We don't know. Because it's open. The answer is anything. Any possible combination of words. It's beyond yes or no. Closed is closed. Yes or no. That's it. Where does James live? Where does James live? I don't know. He lived in London. Well, there's some. I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't know. No. Do you work from home? Yes, I do. Who do you work with? Well, I work with all sorts of people. I work with children all over China and people all over China. Chinese people, I guess. That's the answer. Who do you work with? Cool. Yeah. Maybe also open questions use question words as well. Who, what, where. Who does James work with? Where does James live? Who, what, where. When did James live there? How long? When did he move in? How long has he been there for? How long has he been there? Interesting stuff. Very interesting stuff. But what's also interesting is that if you want to keep learning English, If you want to keep expanding your vocabulary, and if you want to speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.